I've come to make an announcement. Pluto is a stupid nincompoop. She stole my fucking train. That's right. She stole her train. She coupled hers to the front of mine and said, "Look, dog, it's this big." And I said, "That's fucking rude. How dare you?" So I'm here to make a call-out post on my YouTube.com. Pluto, you're a nincompoop, and your wheels are tiny. My wheels, huge. They're like the size of this plate, except way bigger. No, please don't turn me into a marketable standard gauge model, please. Oh, what station are we going to?
You're going to Droy. No. But that's where they're going. They need to learn how to pronounce no.
Who the fuck? Who is it? What? I should kick your fucking ass. Who is this?
Damn bitch, you live like this? Hi, Lisa. Hold on a second. Are you smiling? And with that, a whimsical sigh of wistful joy? You like Glen Vale, don't you, Lisa? Get out!
I hope you all freeze this winter.
A frog can really hear themselves think out here. Did you leave the stove on? The front door unlocked? Will you die alone? Well, that was a mistake.
Pluto, what, you've been there for like a minute. I don't know, I stopped counting. But dude, please, I need to shut this train. Mr. Crow's gonna be mad at me if I don't. He's already mad at me after the enchilada train. Please, I can't do this. You're blocking the yard. Move the slate. Is that a cube of tungsten? Please, you're the only one who can move it. I don't want to have to go fetch Apollo. Fuck you, Pluto. Hey, Mounty, do you remember who goes next? I don't remember the schedule for today.
I do believe that it is Smudger coming next down the line. I believe with the milk train.
Oh, god damn it, not him.
And why do you have beef with Smudger all of a sudden, Doug?
I don't have... Listen, Pluto, when he comes through with that milk train, he's going to make a really stupid joke that no one's going to laugh at, and then he's going to chortle all the way down the line. Hey, it's me, Smudger. Might as well call me Milker, because I'm pulling the milk train. Oh my god, I wish he was still a generator.
But Smudger just laughed.